Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually launch your site and make it online for others so they can join and do whatever they like. So it will be online for everyone in the public. So first of all, you have to create your own websites at the beginning. So how you can do it, you can go ahead and open wordpress.com, and from here guys they will give you this page. Of course, you can here click on plans and see all these plans, and there, sorry guys, you can from here see all the plans. There is the personal plan, there is the premium plan, business plan, and the e-commerce plan. So from here you have all these options, like the person has this, the premium got this, the business got this, and yeah, the best one personally is the premium one because it is really decent for everyone. Now you can also get the free version, which is click on start with free. They will not give you a lot of options, but it will do the work for you guys. So what you'll have to do is put here your email address, username, and choose a password. Right after that you create an account, or you can join using a Google account or Apple account. So once you do all these steps, what you have to do is they will give you the option to create a domain name. You have to create a domain name by choosing the free domain name, which will be something like your domain name.wordpress.com, or you can buy your own domain name from WordPress company, and it will not really take a lot of your time and it will not cost a lot. So it will be something like around $5. Right after that you click on next, and basically this page will be open for you. Once this page is open for you, that means that your website is actually live and it is ready to go. So what you'll have to do is go here, add a preference, add the blogs, add pages, add the medias, add users, and even plugins, and right after that click on visit website, and your website will be a public for everyone, and everyone can actually visit your website. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually launch your first site in WordPress. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.